How to fix Gmail verification code not received. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Gmail verification code not received. So let's begin. The first step that I would like you to do is to make sure that your phone is not on airplane mode so that you may be able to receive text messages. So to do that, you may go to your control center and then make sure that the airplane button has not been highlighted. And then you may also go to your settings and go to airplane mode right here and make sure that this toggle button is not green but gray. So again, this button should be green or is on the left side and not on the right side. And then if it still doesn't work, what I would like you to do is again go to settings and search for messages right here. So go to messages and then if you're using iPhone, make sure to turn off and turn it on back the iMessage. So what this will do is that it will just reset the iMessage. So for example, there are bugs, then it will be simply fixed. And then um, once you have done that, you may also scroll down and you may either turn on or off this send as SMS option right here, or also make sure to turn off the filter unknown senders. Since this filter unknown senders will make a somewhat kind of a folder or a section on your messages in which the unknown senders will be kept. So for example, um, the Google will send you a verification code and then you have not placed it on your contacts, then it will be placed on that specific folder and then it will give you hard time to locate it. And then again, if it still doesn't work, simply go to general and then scroll to the bottom of the page, go to transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset right here. Click on reset network settings, and what this will do is that it will reset all of your network, such as your what do you call your SIM, and then also your Bluetooth and then your Wi-Fi. So that's it. That's how you can fix Gmail verification code not received. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.